Welcome back everybody. In this video, we will learn about present, past and future tenses. For present tense we use I am, for past tense we use I was, and for the future tense we use I will be. Similarly, we use I have for present, I had for past and I will have for the future tense. I do for present, I did for past and I will do for the future tense. And likewise, I find for present tense, I found for past tense and I will find for the future tense. We use I come for present tense, I came for the past tense and I will come for the future tense. I say for present tense, I said for the past tense and I will say for the future tense. Likewise, I run for present tense, I ran for the past tense and I will run for the future tense is used. And we use I become for the present tense, I became for the past tense and I will become for the future tense. We use I buy for the present tense, I bought for the past tense and I will buy for the future tense. I choose is used for the present tense, I chose is used for the past tense and I will choose is used for the future tense. I eat is used for the present tense, I ate for the past and I will eat for the future tense. Similarly, I hear for the present, I heard for the past and I will hear for the future tense is used. I hide for the present tense, I hid for the past tense and I will hide for the future tense. I keep for the present, I kept for the past and I will keep for the future tense. I break for the present, I broke for the past tense and I will break for the future tense is used. I make for present, I made for past, I will make for the future tense. We use I send for the present tense, I sent for the past tense and I will send for the future tense. And lastly, we use I understand for the present tense, I understood for the past tense and I will understand for the future tense. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.